nice 2010 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder. Vehicle takes 0-20 motor oil. Oil filter. Drain plug, 14mm. Filter. Extension and ratchet. Make sure you replace this O-ring right there. Filter, O-rings. Old O-ring, new O-ring, new filter. Stick new filter in. You're gonna screw it up until it gets tight, and then just give it a little snug. Put your drain plug back in. Tighten that down. Give it a little snug. Wipe everything off. Get down where the filter was. Plate. Oil goes in right here. 0W20. Let it run. Make sure you have no leaks. Shut it off. Check this, wipe dipstick off, check it again. Right at the max. This is your low mark. This is your high mark. Whenever checking oil, make sure the dipsticks stay high. Don't check it up like this. Make the oil run back down. I see so many people checking the oil and they got the stick up trying to check it. You want to keep your stick facing this way, down towards the ground. Resetting your maintenance light. You want to come over here, clear that to all zeros. Trip A. You want to see your light flashing. Turn key off. You want to hold in on this button. Turn key on the on position. You see the zeros down there flashing. All the way back to 0. Now the light is reset.